Hello everyone. This lecture is on the biochemistry as well as the genetics of nitrogen fixation. And we know the nitrogen fixation is an essential step or stage in the nitrogen cycle. And we know in the nitrogen cycle itself, the atmospheric nitrogen is converted into uh, ammonia or ammonium, that is the plant or other organisms easily absorbable form. That is the bioavailable form of a nitrogen conversion as takes place in the nitrogen fixation. And if it is carried out or driven through the microorganism, then it is an biological nitrogen fixation. And the microbes that are involved in the nitrogen fixation, we call it as a diazotrophs. And example for this are symbiotic, free living, associative. That is in the leguminous plant, the rhizobium microorganisms having the symbiotic relationship with the leguminous plant thereby fixes the atmospheric nitrogen. Similarly, in the free living or the associative or the mycorrhizal form, the different actinomycetes or rhizobacter, azospirillum, anabania, nostoc, like different microorganisms fixes the atmospheric nitrogen and thereby convert them into a bioavailable form, that is the plant absorbable form, thereby increasing the growth of a plant and increase its yield too, and also increases the soil fertility. So this nitrogen fixation is an essential for the nutrient cycling process as well as in the ecosystem balance. And in this nitrogen fixation, now coming to the biochemistry part, the in for any microbes that involved in the nitrogen fixation, the nitrogenase enzyme that present in that microorganisms play a vital role. And these nitrogenase enzyme breaking down the triple bond that is formed in the nitrogen, thereby breaking this bond and thereby form the ammonia. Since it is an stable, strong covalent bond that need to be broken down. So for that, this enzyme activity is needed, and thereby it converted into ammonium. And now coming to in detail of this nitrogenase enzyme, its a structure. It's not a single protein component. It's a two-component metalloprotein complex consists of component 1 and component 2. And coming to this component 1 and 2, if you consider component 2, that is a iron protein, and it is also called as the denitrogenase reductase. And its main functional role is transfer electron from component 2 to component 1. And its structure is it's a homodimer that is identical to subunits that consist of single 4Fe4s cluster, and which is bridges between the two subunits. And its main function is transporting the electron from a component 2 to component 1. So for that, it's an energy intensive process. So it consists of two binding sites for MgATP, and hydrolysis of these MgATP produces ADP as well as the inorganic phosphatase, and also induces the conformational change in iron protein. So this conformational change produces the electron that again transfer to the component 1. And this component 1 is a MO, molybdenum iron protein, and it is indirectly is a reductase enzyme. And it is not a homogeneous protein. It is an heterotetramer. It consists of both alpha 2 and beta 2 structures containing two distinct complex metal centers per catalytic unit. That is, the first one is the P cluster 8, Fe, and 7s. Its main function is accepting the electrons from component 1 and store for its further use. Whereas the FeMO cofactor, it is an actual active catalytic site for by binding the electrons from component 2 to 1. So that here the reduction of nitrogen takes place in this FeMO cofactor. And The chemical reaction involved in this nitrogen fixation is the one molecule of nitrogen is converted into two molecules of ammonia and generates one molecule of hydrogen, and the mg-ATP molecule that is hydrolyzed and produces 16 mg-ADP and 16 inorganic phosphatase. And here, this energy intensive process also accumulates 8 electrons as well as the 8 protons. So, the major steps that involved in the reduction of nitrogen to ammonia, electron donation, ATP binding, complex formation and transform, dissociation, or the substrate reduction occurs. That is, if you considered the electron donation, that is, for example, the flavonoids, like substance that in the electron donation, the flavonoids like substances reduces the component 2, that is Fe protein substance, and in the ATP, that is the 16 mg ATP molecule got